How to use acrylic paint from setup to cleanup. You need a palette, a placemat to keep the table clean, and a paintbrush. Squeeze out just a little paint, about the size of a quarter. Use more white, just a little color. Your goal is to mix different color values. Start light, then go dark. Use very little water. Occasionally add a drop. Turn the painting as you work. Add just a drop of water to extend your color. Mix and keep painting all the way to the edges. Cleanup is very important. First, wipe your brush clean with a paper towel. Then rinse it. Repeat this 3 times till your brush is completely clean. When each person cleans their own brush, the total cleanup time is shorter and everyone gets more time to paint. Use both hands to carry your painting to the drying rack. 2 paintings fit on each shelf. When you hear the bell, clean your brush, put your painting in the drying rack, wipe your hands and the table, and have a quiet seat. Use very little water. Use usually more white than color. You can go back and paint into places where you've already painted. You can try to fade out the color from dark to light. You do not have to rinse your brush in between every time you change light to dark. Turn the painting as you work. Sometimes add just a drop of water. Your flat brush will make a broad brush stroke, but you can also use the edge and hold it upright to make a much thinner brush stroke. That's a good way to paint sharp edges.